Hello, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this rather bright and colourful and quite cheerful card. So let's start. There's my watercolour card cut to A6, and I'm going to cut some masking sheets to size. And now we're going to be drawing some wiggly lines. So I'm going to start with a bit of a wiggly wave, and then we're going to take a rounded shape up like that, and then down at the bottom we're going to have a shape like that and like that. That's all it is. So let's cut this and then we can stick it on, can't we? Right, so this is my bottom corner. Pop that in place. And once you've got all the layers in place, then we can begin. So I'm going to start with my size 9 stencil brush and some Elements Ink Sundance. And the joy about this is because we've got all these masking sheets in place, we can swirl our brush to get a gentle circle shape without the worry that it might not be perfect or that it's going to go in the wrong place. And now I'm just going to pop that top layer that we cut out before from the masking sheets back into position. Now we're going to peel that first wave layer off. Okay, next we're going to take one of the orbs stamps and stamp this in that top section. Now remember, these are all masked off, so you can stamp over the section below. And because we've put that other masking sheet back on top of the first bit, we can stamp over that top sheet as well. And let's pop that masking sheet back into position. Okay, next layer. Right, one of the first things I want to do is quickly get those birds up into their position. So I'm inking it up in VersaFine Clair Nocturne. So take your white Posca pen, because we're going to do a fair bit of work with it now. Lovely. Now I'm moving on to the next layer, and I'm just going to outline some of these shapes. And I'm going to use my white Posca pen to go across the top of this line here. And we're going to do the same thing with the orbs that we've done in that top section, with the bigger orbs at the bottom, colouring in those circles. I'm going to put my white Posca down for a minute, and I'm going to take up a wink of Stella green, and I'm just going to go along this bottom right hand section along the top, just to give it a little bit of bling. And another stripe just below. And we'll do a little stripe just with the blue. And another one underneath, why not? I'm going to take the brush that's had the confetti ink on it and just add a little bit to this corner down here. That helps balance up there. Now, this is where we add that little bit of bling. So I've got my Tambi Gem Colours, and I've chosen gold, the green and the purple. And I'm using one of the Lavinia Stamps watercolour detailing brushes. And what I tend to do is squirt some water into these, and I'm going to add some gold. And because we are using these brushes, we can do more delicate work than we probably would have done before. We're going to go around some of these. And by using these lovely colours, it gives the impression that perhaps when we move it, that there might be a little bit of sunshine catching it. Just like water, you know, when the light catches the water. I'm going to add some gold just on the crest of these top waves here. Just adding to the dots that are already there. Now looking at this, I'm wanting a little bit more of this violet chalk, so just add a little extra. And we're going to add that little darkened edge to it. So I'm going to grab my Elements Ink Dark Denim and my size 3 stencil brush. Because I don't really want a big border on this one. Just want a subtle edge. There we go. I'm going to grab my aqua green Posca pen and just add some lovely colour to the top right hand side of this, and then echo it in the bottom left. And go back in with our white Posca pen. Just add a touch of white to these dots at the top. There we go. Now let's add a sentiment or 3. This is sentiment sticker 6. And I want, hello, beautiful Sunbeam. So this is a joyful little card to give to somebody who maybe needs cheering up or reminding how special they are. So I'm popping my hello there. Beautiful there, and Sunbeam underneath that line. Now I've got my Mondelez watercolour pencils, and what I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of a shadow underneath the sentiment. Just like this. To make it really pop. And when you pick this up, you can see all those beautiful colours coming to life. It's really magical. And that, my friends, is it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed making this card with me. Thank you for coming along and having a go. See you again soon. Bye.